Hi everyone, welcome to Sol's Kitchen. If you are new here, please like and subscribe my channel. Today I make this delicious Mexican food, Red Chilaquiles. It's very delicious and easy to make. It's perfect for the lunch. Down here in the video box are all the ingredients. I have 3 chiles puya, 2 chiles de arbol, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 quart onion, and 3 chile guajillos. For tomato, I have 20 tortilla corn, dry epazote. I have the cheese. Style cheese is the mozzarella cheese with shedar, 1 cup and sour cream, and fresh cheese. I have 2 cups chicken broth and half teaspoon oregano. Roast the guajillo chiles, chile puya, the 2 chiles de arbol. This chile is ready. In boiling water, add the tomato. Six minutes of boiling the tomato. Add the raw chiles. Turn out the stove. Remove from the stove and cut the tortilla a small piece. I cut all the tortilla. Heat and add oil on medium heat. Fry the tortilla. And very be careful because the oil is very hot. Now the tortilla is ready. You see the color brown is very crunchy. Now we need to remove from the oil. Here in this cup we grind the tomato with the chiles. Add the oregano, quarter the onion and the 3 cloves of garlic. Grind the chile. Look, the sauce is ready. Heat some oil. Oil is hot. Add the sauce. And add with half teaspoon of salt. Add the epazote. And add the chicken broth. And add the rest of broth chicken. After 10 minutes broil, this sauce is ready. Now we add all the chips, the tortilla. This looks so yummy. And we add the cheese. And we add some onion. Over and leave here from 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, the chilaquiles is ready. We turn off the head. With our chilaquiles is ready. Put some sour cream, fresh cheese, now with on red chilaquiles is ready. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment. Thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I see you in the next video. Bye.